is the Oneplus Pad, the first tablet from Oneplus, and it might be one of the best tablets of 2023. So in this video, I'm going to talk about my experience using this tablet, the pros and the cons, but first I got to give you guys my disclaimer that this video is not sponsored. This tablet was given to me to do a review, and again, this video is not paid for, not sponsored. First up, we got to talk about the design because it's a pretty cool looking tablet. It only comes in green, which is a really interesting choice from OnePlus, but I like it. And you can see a little bit of fingerprints, but that's okay. You just get a case and cover it up. As with most tablets, you can see that it's pretty thin. You got your USB port on the bottom. You got your power button on the top, volume controls on the side, and you got your keyboard connector on the bottom. And of course, you can see the camera on the back. And it also has a flash, which is also pretty interesting for a tablet. You rarely see tablets that have a flash. Yes, you can use your tablet as a flashlight. And you might notice that the aspect ratio is a little bit different. It's a little bit more square than other tablets. That is for a better web browsing experience. It's better for reading. And I think it's great. I've been enjoying web browsing and answering emails with it. Just like with the OnePlus 11, this tablet has awesome battery life and it has the super fast charging. And that has to be the top feature right there. Fast charging is very important when you're on the go. You do not want to have your tablet or your phone plugged up for hours. You want to plug it, and within 30 minutes, you want to have it good to go for the rest of the day. The display on this tablet is also really awesome. Because of the aspect ratio, it may not be great for watching movies, but for web browsing, reading comics, photo editing, even some light video editing, it's pretty amazing. So I mentioned video editing and gaming. I tested this out with some light video editing. It did pretty well. I wasn't using anything too extreme. I wasn't using like Adobe Premiere or anything crazy. I was just using like CapCut, editing some TikTok videos and some, Instagram reels, short clips, and it handled it pretty well. I didn't really have any issues, but then again, I wasn't really doing anything crazy, nothing 4K or something like that. But when it came to gaming, it was a little bit disappointing. It performed okay, but it wasn't as good as the OnePlus 11. Obviously, this is not a gaming tablet. They don't advertise it as a gaming tablet. It's mostly for productivity and entertainment purposes. But yeah, I was hoping that it was as good as gaming as the OnePlus 11. And it's not. I mean, it could do casual gaming just fine, but when you get to games that have higher demands, it will lag behind. But still, that is okay because the tablet is great at other areas. Like I said, the battery life, the display. Also, it has Dolby Atmos. This tablet is so thin, but I can feel the sound coming out of it. It is pretty impressive. So with this tablet, you will not need a Bluetooth speaker because this is the speaker. Now we got to talk about the cameras because OnePlus is known for their excellent camera quality, and this tablet is no different. And just like with the other OnePlus phones, the camera quality is great. And you got all the features that you expect, including night sight. And as a content creator, it is great for taking videos, for vlogging, or shooting some B-roll. Now I am recording with the front-facing camera on the OnePlus Pad, and it looks pretty good. It doesn't have portrait mode like on the OnePlus phone where it blurs out the background, but I think the quality is still pretty good. And I'm using the built-in microphone, so there's nothing attached. This is how it sounds when I'm recording with the OnePlus Pad. Again, overall pretty good quality. And finally, let's talk about some connectivity features between the OnePlus phone and the OnePlus Pad. So if you have a OnePlus phone, you can connect it to the OnePlus Pad. And you can do some pretty cool things like using your phone on the tablet. And as a content creator, that's handy because I can mount my phone and I can control it with my tablet without touching my phone. And of course, you got the split screen view so you can put your phone screen on a corner. This can also come in handy, like I say, if you're in a video call and you don't want to look like you're on your phone, you can have your phone screen right there on the tablet. And so it's not rude that you're looking at your phone while on a video call. You can control your phone while on a video call, and that's pretty cool. So setting it up is very simple. It only took a few seconds. And I think that's an awesome feature that many people are not talking about. So overall, it is an awesome tablet for under $500. You got an amazing display, great cameras, and the latest Android features. It may not be the most powerful or great for gaming. Any of your other productivity needs, the OnePlus Pad gets the job done. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below.